For 3 decades, our steel institution has excelled in roll forming, overcoming industry challenges. We proudly stand as a symbol of enduring strength. Steel strong. We are primarily concerned with the welfare and progress of our customers, suppliers, employees, and stockholders.
Kailangan namin sila mabigyan ng quality at saka affordable materials.
We strive for excellence and leadership in the industry.
Ang major dream talaga nila is makabuo ng sarili nilang bahay. Tinitiis nila yung hirap, tinitiis nila yung kanilang kalungkutan.
We contribute to the well-being of our brothers and sisters in the community. We offer the fruits of our labor to God, to our family, and to our country.
Let us do our best, but let us enjoy our stay in Color Steel. If we have fun, we enjoy the work, we can produce the best quality of work that we are capable of.
Over the years, we've come to acknowledge that our success hinges on the invaluable contributions of our dedicated employees, loyal clients, and supportive stockholders. Their collective efforts have proven to be the cornerstone of our journey.
Color Steel is empowerment.
Si Color Steel, masasabi ko lang ay mapagbigay.
Color Steel is a challenge and fulfillment because it made my dream come true.
Colors is tatak tibay.
Color Steel is family talaga.
So Color Steel is love.
Color Steel is home. Di lang siguro kami. Lahat halos ng company naghirap during pandemic. Walang pumapasok na kita, ang dami naming empleyado. Ganun pa man, ang direksyon ng management, di namin sila pababayaan. Kahit 2 buwan kaming walang trabaho, walang pumapasok na kita, nagbigay si Color Steel ng financial assistance sa lahat ng empleyado. At buti na lang din, yung mga suppliers natin, kahit alam natin na hirap din sila. Dahil sa pandemic na to, binigyan tayo ng flexibility ng obligasyon natin. At napakalaking tulong yon para mairaos natin itong pandemic na ito.
We are very thankful with our suppliers. As the time goes on, nakakapag-build ng relationship, nakaka-build ng friendship din. Sana, sa another 30 years, sama-sama pa rin tayo.
To our suppliers, we are truly thankful for continuously providing your best products and services to Color Steel.
Yung institutional banks, nasa tabi namin na tumutulong. BDO, Metrobank, TNB, and Security Bank.
Kahit nagkaroon ng Asian crisis, nagkaroon ng pandemic, sinusuportahan nila kami hanggang ngayon. So we are truly grateful and thankful for them. Metrobank, Security Bank, BDO, and PNB, of course.
Still strong.
As the Color Steel family flourishes, we remain steadfast in our commitment to grow under the guidance of God. Our purpose transcends mere expansion. We are dedicated to enriching the community, striving to make a positive impact with every step we take.
Yung pagdating ninyo dito na magbigay ng pagkain, magbigay ng mga laruan sa mga bata, ang laking tulong talaga sa amin.
Mahirap kasi mainit. Pero ano ba naman yung init na yon compared sa nakikita mong saya sa mga mata ng mga bata?
Masayang-masaya ang mga bata kasi maganda yung ginawa ninyo, may pa-games pa kayo.
Sa inyong programa na pag-reach out ninyo dito sa ating Katutubo Village, malaking tulong po yun. Kasi yun ang pinaka pang-primary na kailangan ng mga tao.
We feel that whatever we gain, whatever we benefited from Color Steel, it must be shared to our brothers and sisters in the community.
30 years in the industry, we've crafted projects to stand as enduring legacies through our pioneering engineering services.
Yung kliyente na naniniwala hanggang ngayon dahil minimaintain namin yung quality ng produkto. Kasi yun lang naman talaga yung panlaban namin plus yung after-sale service.
We take our customers' needs to heart. This dedication fuels our drive to innovate, to deliver superior and highly responsive products tailored to our customers' expectations.
Color Steel's steadfast dedication to quality has led to the creation of industry-leading roofing solutions, including the Molave, the terraces, and a groundbreaking first in the industry, the long-span gutter and ridge roll.
We have just launched our new product, the Simplex. And Simplex is another weather-tight profile na talagang i-address yung ating climate change. It can be configured into 4 designs. We have the straight, the curve, the tapered, and the combined tapered and curve, designed to address the needs of our customers for their domes or stadiums. This profile is currently being installed now to an airport in the Visayas region.
Our unwavering commitment has consistently driven us to deliver top-tier products, cultivating a reputation based on successful projects and profound respect for people and their welfare, ensuring quality standards for every Filipino home and business.
I learned about Color Steel from my colleagues dito sa province ng Tarlac. Color Steel na ang aking halos nilalagay sa ating specifications. First is yung service nila, yung mabilis na response nila within dun sa ating time spent sa construction. Secondly, yung kanilang mga prices, syempre, tinitingnan natin competitive yung prices nila. At ang hindi natin nakakalimutan dyan is yung quality. Color Steel, sulit at maaasahan talaga.
Since 1994, the creation of Color Steel, I've been loyal to them and patronizing all their products. We have been having big projects in Santa Rosa, Laguna Technopark, in Cavite, from roofing materials, the metal decking, spandrel cladding, and ceiling, like I have used in this building. I think this is the biggest project, the longest, if we talk of the length. This is very challenging and amazing project. And they did it right. We did it right. If you are looking for a quality material and service, reliability, it must be Color Steel.
I'm proud to say na walang tatalo pagdating sa customer service ni Color Steel. Pag tumawag ka ngayon, atin namin ngayon yan. Hindi ka na mag-aantay ng 3 araw, hindi ka na mag-aantay ng 1 linggo.
Bakit si Color Steel pa rin ang pinipili? Sabi nga ng mga regular clients natin or mga contractors, kapag masela ng client nila, kay Color Steel sila.
We are truly grateful, really thankful to all our customers na from the start nandyan sila. Hindi lang sumusuporta, kundi pinapatronize yung products namin.
To all our customers, and especially to our loyal customers, thank you for choosing us. Thank you for staying with us. And we look forward for more, still strong years with you.
After 30 fruitful years, with our hearts and minds in the right place, the future, the vision of Color Steel, is more exciting than ever.
With a proven reliability and integrity in delivering our products and services for the past 30 years, and with our commitment to continuously innovate products that will cater the growing needs of our customers, in the near future, you will see more of Color Steel all over the Philippines. We are planning to invest for another plant in South Luzon, and very soon we are going to build our plant in North Luzon. In pipeline also, we are planning to build bigger and more modern facilities in Visayas and Mindanao. So you will see a lot more of Color Steel all over the country. It will continuously lead the industry. And we are seeing a bigger and better Color Steel in the future.
Siguro aabot kami ng mga hanggang 30 to 32 branches. Sa ini-envision ko mga 11 to 12 plants. Mako-cover namin ang buong Pilipinas. Baka umabot kami ng mga 600 na tao.
Continue to dream big to reach the strongest Color Steel in the next 30 years and beyond.
Today, as we celebrate 30 years of growth and success, we express our deepest gratitude to our suppliers, employees, partners,
And most especially to our customers na naniniwala sa ating produkto.
You are the pillars of our triumphs, and we are excited about the chapters we'll write together in the years to come. Here's to Color Steel, A legacy of excellence, a symbol of progress, and a beacon of hope for the future. Cheers to 30 years and to the countless milestones.
Color Steel, building dreams,
30 still strong years.
and beyond.
Together, we will achieve